Welcome to Reolink. In this video, we'll be unboxing RLC542WA, the smart 5-megapixel Wi-Fi camera with 5 times optical zoom, and walking you through the essential features of the camera: 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and smart alarm with person and vehicle detection listed on the product box. Open the box and you'll find a network cable, a power adapter, a waterproof lid, a wrench, screws, and anchors. The camera itself, 2 antennas, a power extension cable, mounting template, surveillance sticker, and the quick start guide. Now let's take a closer look at the camera and see what the camera is capable of. The RLC542WA is designed with 2 antennas, less likely to lose its network connection, which is 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. It employs the on-camera person and vehicle detection technology, alerting you to person and vehicle events. No unwanted notifications of trivial things. 5-megapixel Super HD resolution, along with a lens with 5 times optical zoom, empowers you to see incredible visual details even after zooming in. Around the camera lens are 24 pieces of infrared LEDs for stunning nighttime recording from even 100 feet away. A micro SD card slot is also added inside for cards of up to 256 gigabytes to save all the recordings of detected events locally. And there is a built-in mic, allowing you not only to see, but to hear what is happening around your home. This versatile camera also features time-lapse capturing to visualize the passing of time. All functions can be used remotely on the Reolink app. And as the camera integrates with smart home devices, you can view the live feed by simply saying voice commands. To provide solid security, the RLC542WA is built with IK10 vandal-proof and can even endure violent damages, so you can feel at ease to place it without worrying about vandals. And it also adds the IP66 waterproof rating to withstand rain and dust. In the next videos, we'll show you how to set up and install the RLC542WA. Subscribe to the Reolink channel for more updates.